Hi, I'm Jason Safian. Welcome to Unique Wisconsin. Today we're in the southeastern part of the state, exploring Rustic Road 94. Rustic Road 94, also called Skinner Hollow Road, runs about 4.5 miles from Wisconsin Highway 81 to County Highway J, through the towns of Jordan and Adams in Greene County. This corridor offers scenic views of streams, valleys, and wooded areas. The name Skinner Hollow comes from John B. Skinner, one of the area's earliest lead prospectors. Here in the wetlands and prairie remnants, you may see sandhill cranes, deer, and a variety of birds. The rock outcroppings and creek edges provide good habitat for wildlife. In times past, 3 cheese factories operated along this road. Today, only one remains, now a residence. But the legacy of dairy, farming, and early industry still threads through the landscape. Along the valleys, you might spot old prospect diggings or what locals once called badger holes, and other reminders of early mining, though much is overgrown today. cows and farmland remind us that we're still in a working landscape where agriculture and nature coexist. One of the charms of Rustic Road 94 is how it reveals transitions, from wooded hollows to open views, from prairie fragments to forested ridges. As we cross Skinner Creek, notice that this area was once a mill pond for an early sawmill in the region. I hope you're enjoying the changing light, the silence, the small surprises around each bend. Wisconsin has so many hidden gems. Thank you for riding along on this one. I really appreciate you joining me today on Unique Wisconsin as we drove Rustic Road 94. Thank you for joining me on this drive along Rustic Road 94 in Greene County. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future Unique Wisconsin videos. Maybe I'll see you out there on the next one.